Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to have an update on Vistagen Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol VTGN, a Q1 financial report release and insider stock purchase play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always use your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out today pre-market TNGX, a stock we featured in a video done yesterday on August 8th. It went up 136%. We also called out VTGN, the stock we're updating in this video, on Friday, August the 7th, pre-market, and it ran 3,200%. And as some of you know, we also featured VTGN in a video that same day. This is the stock that we called on a private Discord that went from $1.49 to a high of $60. We're just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we also have included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes on material on how we find and trade stocks, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with an update on Vistagen Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol VTGN, which is located in San Francisco, California. To recap, Vistagen Therapeutics Inc. is a NASDAQ-traded healthcare and biotechnology company that's working on creating medicines to help people with problems related to the brain and nerves, like anxiety, depression, and other disorders of the central nervous system, like social anxiety disorder, panic disorder, post-traumatic stress, postpartum anxieties, and among others, Now let's take a look, though, at VTGN's most recent news. On August the 9th, Vistagen Therapeutics Inc. announced its plans to report its Q1 2024 financial results. In conjunction with that announcement, the company plans to host a corporate conference call on Thursday, August the 10th, 2023, after hours at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, during the call, the company leaders will provide a corporate update and release financial results for its fiscal year 2024 first quarter, the period ended June 30th, 2023. Now, in addition to this, there was after-hours news today of a Schedule 13G, which is a statement of acquisition of beneficial ownership that was filed on Monday, August the 7th with the SEC, that's the Securities and Exchange Commission, by Commodore Capital LP and by Commodore Capital Master LP, for the acquisition of 1,575,000 shares, common shares of VTGN, by each entity. Each entity has acquired 19.7% of common share ownership in VTGN. The price of VTGN stock was pushed upward today again and could potentially move upward tomorrow. On the recording of this video, August 7th, 2023, the stock is now trading at $8.65. Undoubtedly, the release of VTGN's Q1 2024 financials for its fiscal year ended June 30th, after hours tomorrow, as well as the catalyst posed by the recent acquisition of shares through the 13G filing with the SEC by Commodore Capital and Commodore Capital Master, can move the price action upward for VTGN. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. And of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Vistagen Therapeutics, Inc., VTGN, a publicly traded NASDAQ healthcare and biotechnology company, has had some interesting news to reveal today. VTGN is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will VTGN run parabolic again? Well, it will need volume. But who knows for sure? We are still in a choppy market. Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have VTGN on my watch list. It's Double Mums, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.